Girl Scouts. My name's Kara, and I'm a program specialist at Girl Scouts Heart of Michigan. Ever since I can remember, I've always loved a good mystery, and spy stories have always been my favorite. I've always thought it would be so cool to have a different gadget or gizmo to help me do all the different things I do every day, and one that I've always been super interested in is invisible ink. Today, I'm going to show you 3 techniques that will let you create your own invisible ink at home, and I'll walk you through some of the science behind what makes them work. And if you're a junior Girl Scout, you'll also be working on step 2 of your detective badge. So let's get started. The first invisible ink recipe we'll be using is a classic, and all you need is a fresh lemon and a heat source. Squeeze half of your lemon into a bowl or cup to collect the juice like you see me doing here. The juice is going to be your first invisible ink. Dilute the juice you collect with a few drops of water. You don't need much, just enough to write your message, but if you want a lot of ink, just use the other half of your lemon. Using a fine paintbrush or cotton swab, write your message on plain white paper. Thicker paper, like cardstock or watercolor paper, will work best, but printer paper is good too. Allow your message to dry for about 10 to 15 minutes, then locate your heat source. To reveal your message, you can use a blow dryer, light bulb, or candle, or do like I did and use an iron. Apply the heat directly to your message, and eventually your words will appear. So why does the ink turn colors when the heat hits it? Well, lemon juice is a natural substance that oxidizes as it dries, meaning it changes color when exposed to heat due to a loss of electrons or negative particles at the molecular level. For our next invisible ink, start by pouring 1 tablespoon of fresh baking soda into a bowl or cup. Add half a cup of water and stir well to combine. Then, grab another sheet of your white paper and your paintbrush, then write your message and your baking soda mixture on the paper. When you're finished, set it aside to dry, again for about 10 to 15 minutes at least, while you work on mixing the next solution. For this mixture, measure out around 1/4 cup of rubbing alcohol into a bowl or cup that is either glass or recyclable, like the drink cup you see here. As you'll see soon, the solution we're about to make might stain plastic. Take half a teaspoon of turmeric and mix it into the rubbing alcohol until dissolved. Set this mixture aside until your message has finished drying. Then, using another paintbrush or some cotton balls, apply the turmeric solution to the paper. Instantly, your invisible ink should change color, revealing your hidden message. So what's going on here? A chemical reaction is occurring between the baking soda, which is a base or high pH substance, as it comes into contact with the turmeric and alcohol mixture, and acid, which is a low pH substance. In fact, any acidic liquid will have the same effect. Try using fruit juice and see what happens. This final technique is one of my favorites. To start, take a white crayon and write your message on a white sheet of paper. To reveal this message, we're going to take some watercolor paints, any kind will do, and apply them over the message. As you paint, the message will reveal itself as white text on a colorful background. While this isn't caused by a chemical reaction, there's still some science behind it. The crayon we used is made of wax, which repels liquids like the watercolor paint. So, while the paint will stick to the paper around the crayon, it won't be able to bond where your message was written. Pretty cool. I hope you enjoyed this video and that you have fun making your own invisible inks and writing secret messages to your friends and family. If you have another favorite recipe for invisible ink that we didn't cover here, tell us about it in the comments. And when you're done with the rest of your steps for your Junior Detective Badge, don't forget to stop by the Girl Scouts Heart of Michigan online shop to have it shipped directly to you. Thanks so much for watching and have a good rest of your day.